Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we're going to talk about AutoDS versus Zendrop. So let's get into the video. So AutoDS and Zendrop, so both of these are drop shipping tools. So when we talk about these two tools, so which is better in terms, so we're going to analyze it in terms of three basic features such as the pricing. When we talk about pricing, AutoDS, so AutoDS actually offers tailored for difficult business needs. So for example, and it has different packages starting from $20, and it allows business dealers with higher business values, or who has frequent business, high volume businesses. So those people, it offers better options. Whereas Zendrop offers vast plans up to like 2,000 per month, and it has customizable plans, and it's more like budget friendly in terms of pricing. And nextly, in terms of integration, when it comes to integration, I can say AutoDS here is compatible with various e-commerce platforms compared to Zendrop. So Zendrop actually is more limited when it comes to integration. Mostly it deals with Shopify stuff. And apart from that, and when it comes to features, like AutoDS provides automation capabilities and a more streamlined process for pricing, order fulfillment, inventory management, and real-time tracking, and for all those informations for those services. Whereas Zendrop here offers a fast shipping and ease of use options. So it's good for high quality products, so high quality procedures. Like you can it provides like automation, automatical filming, and private labeling, and those type of features. So when you compare both of these drop shipping tools, like both you have to choose depends on your business needs and requirements. So for example, if you're a newcomer, then if you're a newcomer looking for fast shipping and user-friendly features, then probably Zendrop is an ideal option because it has a lot of offers for you. And whereas if you are an advanced drop shipper and looking for advanced automation tools, then AutoDS is a good option for you. So all this depends on your needs and requirements. So I hope this information is helpful to you all. I'll see you all in another video.